How to earn an extra income online tips are very essential if you are looking to make a living online. These tips can help you on how to earn an extra income online for free without having to spend any money. If you have a good computer with an internet connection and you are ready to start learning and applying these tips, you will be able to start earning an extra income online. These tips will help you on how to earn an extra income online, and you will see how easy it is. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to earn an extra income online tips. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you are serious about applying these tips on how to earn an extra income online, the first thing that you need to do is to sign up for an affiliate program. Affiliate programs are great platforms to promote products because of the fact that it is a free advertising method. You can easily get traffic by promoting other people's products through your website or blog. Once you have proven your worth as an expert in the niche, you will be more qualified to get higher pay from selling products. The second tip on how to earn money online is by using internet marketing. Internet marketing is a popular way to promote a business online because it is very effective, especially for people who are new in the online industry. If you want to know the secret of internet marketing, all you have to do is to apply the strategies that have been tested and tried by successful online marketers. Internet marketing will not only help you earn money online but will also provide you with additional side income. In order to maximize the potentials of internet marketing, you must have a website or a blog where you can showcase and market your online businesses. Once your websites get traffic, you can submit your sites to various article directories or social networking sites. Through these submissions, you will be able to expose your business and gain exposure. Apart from that, there are a lot of free resources online that you can use in order to enhance your online business. One of the most popular ways of generating extra income online is through affiliate programs. There are thousands of companies out there who would love to advertise their products through your websites. You are given a certain commission based on the sales that result from the advertisements that you placed on your website. In return, they will allow you to place their ads on your website. This will allow you to earn money while you are at home. This particular method has been tested and proven by many people already. Therefore, it is very easy to follow through. Another method on how to earn an extra income online is by blogging. A lot of websites today have their own blogging platforms. You can easily join these platforms so that you can monetize your blog. Once you have become a member, you can now upload content related to their products and services so that you can earn money through the advertisements that are displayed on your blog. However, this method will require you to do some keyword research so that you can maximize your earning potentials. If you are a keen student, you may want to try blogging. There are actually a lot of bloggers out there that are doing well. The secret is to find a niche that you are passionate about. You can even create a blog using your favorite subject. Once you have created your blog, you need to register a domain name so that you can also start earning money through your website. After that, all you need to do is to put content on your website and earn. One of the most effective extra income online tips you can do is through affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to sign up as an affiliate with a company that you believe in and link up with them. Just make sure that you only promote the products of companies that you know of so that you can earn from their sales. There are also a lot of companies that are willing to hire bloggers so that they can reach a wider market. Thanks for watching my video about how to earn an extra income online tips. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.